Drake the Silly Engine. Drake is one of the silliest engines on the island of Sodor. Even sillier than the troublesome trucks. Despite his silliness, Drake always tries to do his silly work on time. All the engines appreciate Drake's work. One day, Drake was in the yurds when Sir Topham Hatt arrived.
Drake, I need you to take 2 trucks to Tidmouth Station. However, they may be a bit too, silly.
Don't worry, so the silliest engine on Sodor.
Drake said.
Very well then, off you go.
The 2 trucks were on the other side of the yard. The small front truck blocks everyone from pulling them and copies all the other trucks, much to their dismay. The other truck was larger, was a reddish-orange, and had 3 crudely painted letters on each side. The truck always wanted to be topped by a hopper with a huge chute and having coal oozing from the backside. The truck also had a habit of mocking engines that have their brothers scrubbed. No engine wanted to pull these trucks ever, as Drake would soon find out. Drake coupled up and started off with the 2 trucks.
I don't want any nonsense from you two.
Drake huffed crossly.
And this is coming from the silliest engine on Sodor.
The trucks, however, were going to give silly Drake trouble. Drake was chuffing along nicely. Nothing bad had started to happen. He tried to sing, but the trucks cut him off by singing horribly and shouting. Drake was upset. He always sung to keep trucks in line, but it seems these 2 didn't like singing. They liked beeps and books and fat people. They were approaching Tidmouth, but Drake was still upset. The 2 trucks saw their chance at mischief.
On. Stop.
Shouted Drake, but the trucks were being too silly, even for the silliest engine on Sodor. Drake was going faster and faster. He tried to stop, but he couldn't. Then trouble was up ahead. The paunch were set to a siding. Drake veered into a siding and shut his eyes. Drake came right off the rails. The 2 trucks howled with laughter, but Drake was certain Sir Topham Hatt would not be impressed. It seemed that Drake was about to cry. Soon, Sir Topham Hatt arrived, and he was cross.
Drake, I told you these trucks were silly. Why didn't you listen?
I thought the trucks would like my singing. That's how I deal with silly, troublesome trucks.
Drake huffed sadly.
Not everyone likes your singing. Some like peace and quiet.
Sir Topham Hatt said.
But you did bring those trucks here. We'll get you back on the rails and sort these 2 trucks out.
Eventually, Drake was back on the rails and continued to do his other jobs. The trucks were put in one of the sidings at the station. Drake is still the silliest engine on Sodor, but he still works hard. He still sings to keep trucks in line, even if some engines question his music. But if there's one thing that you can do, you can always tell Drake the shit you've been through.
Rat shit, bat shit, dirty old twat. 69 assholes tied in a knot. Hooray! Lizard shit, fuck! Rat shit, bat shit, dirty old twat. 69 assholes tied in a knot. Hooray! Lizard shit, fuck!
My name is Brady.